Hello and welcome to my iMovie video tutorials. In this first clip we'll be covering learning the interface and how to import video. To get iMovie, all you need to do is go to the Apple Store, search for iMovie and you can download and install it on your Mac. So to import your video clips, it's quite easy. You come up to the File, Import Media, and you'll get this other interface and just click on the clip that you want. In this case I'll just do 2 and import selected, and then they'll come over here on the left side in your library section. So this is the library area, and on the right here this is your preview window where you can stop and start and watch the clip. And down the bottom here this is the timeline. So to bring a clip into the timeline and start editing, just click on the particular clip you want and you drag down and release. And then you can do the same for another clip to start your editing. And then over here in this section, we can increase and decrease the size of the timeline, which is very handy when you have multiple clips across your timeline and you quickly want to get your clips to edit and check your fades and your transitions. So that's the end of the first part, and next we'll have a look at editing the video and the audio.